How to change or add address in a Walmart app. Let's get started. Launch your Walmart app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the shop page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Hit towards the option of account. Once you're on the account page, at the top right corner, you're gonna find the settings icon. Click on that. Now here you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of addresses. Now from here, you can easily change or add address in a Walmart app. If you want to add it, click on the option of add. Then fill up all these details. Type in your first name, type in your last name, likewise type in the street address, shoots, city, state, zip code, phone number. Once you provide all the details, click on save, and with that the address will be updated. If you want to set this address as your preferred delivery address, you can check in for the option of set as my preferred delivery address and then save it. So this way you can easily change or add address in Walmart app. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.